friends! Welcome to today's lesson. In honor of Anahita's birthday, we are going to learn a little bit about giraffes. So this is a giraffe. Aren't they pretty? And giraffes live in Africa. Now in Africa, they live on the dry savannas. Okay, and they eat leaves from trees, so they're herbivores. Now, giraffes are the world's tallest living land animals. They can get up to 18 feet tall. That means they're taller than 3 adult humans. So just to kind of give you an idea, I'm going to draw a really fast drawing of what that would look like. So let's say this is one adult human who's just a little bit taller than me. And then we would have to put another adult standing on their head, and then another one standing on that one's head to reach a giraffe. So I'm going to do a really fast drawing of a giraffe. This is not going to look very much like one. See that? So that's how tall a giraffe is. As taller than 3 adult humans. Wow, that's so tall. Now giraffes have those really long necks. And if there's 2 male giraffes who want to see who's stronger than the other, they do something really interesting. To fight, they use their long necks to hit each other. And the name for that is called necking, because they're hitting each other with their necks. It's pretty silly. Now, they also use their long necks to be able to see far in the distance, to look for predators who are hunting them, like lions. So their long necks help them. It also helps them reach the tall trees that they eat the leaves from. Because if we're down here, we wouldn't be able to eat those leaves, would we? But the tall giraffe can reach those. Pretty interesting, huh? Now, something really fun is what a group of giraffes is called. Does anybody know what a group of giraffes is called? It's called a tower of giraffes. You know how we have a herd of cows or a flock of seagulls? Well, if you have a lot of giraffes together, it's called a tower of giraffes. Did you know that? So interesting. Now, those are just a few facts about giraffes, but to keep learning about giraffes and to do some fun activities that are inspired by giraffes, I've uploaded a whole file to the Google Drive for your parents to print out some things for you. And it starts with just some awesome coloring sheets of giraffes. There's one all by itself. And here's another one. And there's this one of a mommy giraffe and its baby. And then, if you want to do some work that's a little different from the giraffe but still has giraffes involved, we have this shape maze where you color in all of the ellipses to find the path from the giraffe to its tree. And then another one is drawing a path from the giraffe to her baby by following all the different letter G. So if you look here, it starts with a lowercase g, and then there's an uppercase G, lowercase, and it goes all. Oh, and you have to keep following them and see if you can find a path down here to the baby. Those look fun. Now, if you want one that's more coloring with a little bit of a challenge, there's a color or paint by number. And there's instructions on the worksheet. But that one looks like fun. And then I have some more challenging ones for my friends. I have a measuring worksheet. You need a ruler for this one. But then you measure the different parts of the giraffe. See, it has a letter next to which one. You measure it with the ruler, and then you write what the measurement was, whether it was an inch, 2 inches, 2.5 inches. It's a pretty cool worksheet for my older friends who want to explore using a ruler. And then I have some counting dot to dot giraffes, and these ones are fun because you get to count and follow the numbers and then draw as you draw the giraffes. You can see this one. This one goes from 1 all the way down up to 102. That's a lot of counting. And then even more challenging is counting by 5s. Now I know I've worked with some of my friends on counting by 5s. And so this one, or if you've done the 5 chain or the counting by 5s space shelf work, this is a good one for you for practicing counting by 5s. It goes really high too. So that's a nice challenge. So yeah, there's just a few facts about giraffes today. There's some really cool National Geographic websites you can go on to see pictures of giraffes, especially the Nat Geo for Kids. That's a really good one to give you more information about giraffes. And there's my silly drawing. All right, my friends. We have a really cool giraffe art project this afternoon that I'm excited for. So it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, you guys. I hope you have fun, and I hope you learned a little bit about giraffes today. And I will see you later. Bye, my friends.